Hi there, welcome to a little review. Now, this one is totally new. This is from Chilli Bird. It's a crispy Thai chili oil made in Scotland by a Thai bird. Right? It's OG is AROMATICS. Spicy level 3. Now, what it says here on the label is handmade in small batches in Fife, Scotland. Fragrant and aromatic with lemongrass and lime leaves. Garlicky, crunchy, spicy, and delicious. Deliciously? Is it umami? Add to noodles, throw on rice, drizzle on pizza, mix it in pasta. Put it on everything, basically. Now, the ingredients is light and mild olive oil, 40%. Dried red chillies, 12%. Dried bird's eye chillies, 2%. Garlic, lemongrass, shallots, is it makrut, lime leaves, GF tamari, Himalayan salt, and that's your whack. Right, now this is something I don't usually get into, right, but I just seen it and I thought I would have to give it a try, just to see what it's like. I've never done anything like this before. I wanted to see what it was like. Because one, I do like chilies. Two, I do like garlic as well. Right? So let's see what the Chilli Bird has in store for the big fella. Let's go. Find your own that is. Gee, that was the one tone. Oh. You're getting the chilies, the oil. Oh wow. It's a lovely aroma. Let's get some on this spoon. So, I've no idea how to really do this. The best ways anyway. So let us all see it first. There it's there. Okay. Now it does say 3 chilies, but I don't notice anything in there. Let's go to burn. Oh. I love that smell. Right, so Chilli Bird from Fife, Scotland. Your OG aromatic. You're going to tantalise my little taste buds today. Okay. That's nice. Wow. Okay. Wasn't expecting that. Of course, you get them with oil. Definitely coat your mouth because I'm doing it this way, right? When you're doing it with something else, you're not going to get that problem. Oh. Of course, you're getting all the chilies. You can see them all. But the flavour, wow. Is it lemongrass, shallots? No idea what GF tamari is. Makrut, lime leaves. You get all those flavours mixing in there. I'll tell you what. Honestly, that there, it's something totally new for me. Something I've never ever done before. I'll tell you what. Where can I put it down? Well done, Chilli Bird. I'm definitely going to check out the rest of your products as well. But for flavour, spot on. 3 chillies. Take that down to 1, I'm being honest with you. You get a little bit, but it's not. 3 chillies for me is you're getting a burn. That there, it's letting me know something's there, but it's not burny. That, anybody could take that one, honestly, anybody. But I'll tell you what, that is absolutely gorgeous. I love that. In fact, I might mix that in with my dinner tonight as well. I'll back put this down if I'm finished. Absolutely lovely flavour from that. I'm definitely going to have to get myself some more of the products to get a good review. Only grabbed the one to see what it was like. I'll tell you what, Chilli Bird, that there is an absolutely cracking product. The flavour, forget the heat, I'm just more into the flavour, and that there is absolutely bursting with flavour, and that's the main thing I always look for. If I get flavour, spot on. If some heat comes into it, that's a bonus. But that there is all flavour forward, and I love it. Wow. Well done, Chilli Bird. You converted me into trying some more of this stuff. Give it a go, guys. I'll guarantee you, you'll be like me. You'll be wanting to go back for more. See you all later. Bye.